Hey, good morning. Christy Mattoon here with Rewire. Thank you for being here. This one's going to be really short and sweet, so hang in there with me. I'm going to be talking fast, and I want you to you can go back and rewatch this, but really try and get this. This is on how to clear monkey mind. Super simple. You just have to go through the process, all right? So you have to be able to focus your awareness. That's the first part of this. You have to be able to focus your awareness. Look at something, hold your focus on it, become aware of it, right? Your attention and all of your focus have to be applied in the same direction, okay? You'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. So how you do this is you take 3 or 4 nice deep breaths, the big breaths I'm always talking about, big inhales, nice long deep exhales. And after the 3rd or 4th one, I want you to put your hands over your heart and you're going to cross your legs. If you don't know about heart coherence and you don't know about brain coherence, or using a whole brain state to get brain coherence, go looking for those through my videos, or contact me and do some work with me. I can teach it to you really fast in a few sessions. When you've got your hands crossed over your heart, you're coming into heart coherence. Put all of your awareness into your heart. That's the first step. With your legs crossed, you're actually forcing brain coherence, right? So you're going to raise your brainwave state into a higher alpha and possibly even beyond. The more aware you get, the more focused and intense you get inside your heart space, just being in there, you're going to open up heart coherence. Drive your awareness into your heart and start to feel gratitude. Find something that gives you the feeling of gratitude. Sit there and breathe a couple more times, and then bring your awareness up into your brain and focus on whatever shows up. So you're going to put your awareness into your brain, focus on whatever shows up, and then kind of pull it out and set it aside and just focus onto it. Put your attention to it. Give it some awareness. And then hang in there with it for a couple of minutes. No, not a couple of minutes. Do 30 seconds. 30 seconds of awareness on this thing, and then just push it aside. And then do it again with something else. Whatever shows up in your mind, pull it out, look at it, focus on it, put your awareness to it, and then push it aside. 30 seconds on each thing. Things are going to come at you rapid fire to start with. And you're just grabbing them, focusing on them, moving it aside. The more you do that, and especially in a heart-centered place, when you're in coherence, heart coherence and brain coherence, that monkey mind's going to start dissolving pretty quickly. You're taking control of your thoughts by taking it out and applying awareness and awareness and focus to it. Every time you do that, you're taking a little bit more control of yourself. If you don't do it, your mind, your brain, your thoughts are controlling you, not the other way around. You should have control of this. It should not have control of you, okay? Do this practice 5 minutes at a time, 30 seconds on each item, probably 3 times a day, and then do it for a couple of weeks until you start to get sufficient movement. I hope that helps. Thank you for being here.